Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Another short unboxing, this time the DJI Ronin BG30 battery grip for my DJI RS3 PRO gimbal. So why bought the Ronin BG30 grip battery? The battery on this gimbal is absolutely amazing. However, I always use RevNI image transmitter and it drains battery from the grip. So I decided when this came back in stock on the DJI store to purchase it straight away to have it a second battery just in case. Because when you're on a set and you do real estate or do car videos or any other location videos using a gimbal and image transmitter, the battery goes down quite quickly, especially in the cold Scottish conditions. So that's why I went and bought the second battery grip, and I'll do a short unboxing. Once again, the packaging is outstanding. Let's keep it upside down just now. There is a Ronin manual and branded the Ronin battery grip, and it came flat, exactly the same as grip for the DJI RS3 PRO, and they do fit in my hand perfectly. So I'll just show you. That's fully charged, and I will just disconnect it straight away, unlock it, press it, release it, and then grip it, and it's now here. So yeah, once again, move this over here, press the button here, and release the handle to reinstate, and then tight it securely, and you are done. I think it's time to wrap up my video. So yes, that was a really short one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Also underneath the video, I left an affiliate link to purchase that battery grip for your RS2 Pro, RS3 and RS3 Pro, I believe. So whichever you use, you can use the same battery grip. And trust me, it's always good to have batteries, because for my A7C, I have 4 batteries in my backpack just in case. Because you know, when it's cold outdoors, the battery go down quite quickly, so it's always good to have a spare one. And now I'm covered for up to 20 or even 22 hours of constant work of my gimbal, so wherever I go, I'm always prepared. It's time to wrap the video. So if you have any questions about this DJI Ronin BG30 battery grip for gimbal, leave them in the comment section down below. I also left an affiliate link to Amazon underneath the video. Please use it, and you will support my YouTube channel with a small portion of the commission I will get if you purchase the grip of Amazon. Please give it a thumbs up also, because it helped me and it will help algorithm to push the video to the wider audience, so that at the end will help me to grow my YouTube channel. Also consider subscribing to it if you're not a subscriber yet, and hit that bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers!